Here are 12 tips and tricks about hydrogen peroxide that almost nobody knows. Whiten your teeth naturally. Hydrogen peroxide can help whiten your teeth naturally. Mix it with baking soda to create a paste. Brush your teeth with it once a week for a brighter smile. It works by breaking down the compounds that cause discoloration while the baking soda polishes the teeth. Use it sparingly to avoid damaging tooth enamel. Clean fruits and vegetables. Hydrogen peroxide is great for disinfecting fruits and vegetables. Mix it with water in a 3% concentration and soak your produce for a few minutes. This helps remove pesticides, bacteria, and dirt. After soaking, rinse the produce thoroughly to remove any leftover solution. Disinfect kitchen surfaces. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural disinfectant. Spray it on countertops, cutting boards, and sinks to kill germs and bacteria. Leave it for a few minutes before wiping it off with a clean cloth. It's safe for food prep areas and is an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. Fight foot odor. To eliminate foot odor, soak your feet in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and warm water for 15-20 minutes. The hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria and fungi that cause the smell. It also helps dry out excess moisture, which can contribute to foot odor and fungal infections like athlete's foot. Treat minor cuts and scrapes. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used to clean minor cuts and scrapes. It disinfects the area by killing germs and bacteria. However, don't overuse it as it can damage healthy tissue. After cleaning the wound, apply an antiseptic ointment or bandage to aid in the healing process. Remove stains from clothing. Hydrogen peroxide can help remove stubborn stains like blood, coffee, wine, and grass. Apply it directly to the stain and let it sit for 5-10 minutes. Then wash the garment as usual. It works by breaking down the stain compounds, making them easier to remove. Clean mirrors and glass. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective cleaner for mirrors and glass surfaces. Mix it with water and spray it on the surface. Wipe it off with a microfiber cloth to avoid streaks. It removes smudges, dirt, and grease without leaving residue, leaving your mirrors and windows spotless. Deodorize your laundry. Add hydrogen peroxide to your laundry to remove odors and brighten whites. It's particularly effective for gym clothes, towels, and anything that has absorbed strong smells. It helps break down oils and dirt, leaving clothes fresh and clean. It's a safer alternative to bleach. Treat acne. Hydrogen peroxide can help reduce acne by killing bacteria and drying out pimples. Apply it to the affected area using a cotton ball. It helps disinfect the skin and prevent future breakouts. However, don't use it too often as it can dry out your skin. Follow up with a moisturizer. Sanitize children's toys. Hydrogen peroxide is a safe way to clean children's toys. Spray it directly on plastic or wooden toys and wipe them down. For stuffed animals, you can use hydrogen peroxide in the laundry to eliminate germs. This keeps toys clean and safe without using harsh chemicals. Freshen up your home. Place an open container of hydrogen peroxide in a room to help neutralize odors and purify the air. It eliminates bacteria and fungi that cause musty smells. It's a natural air freshener and can also be used in the refrigerator or trash cans to keep unpleasant odors at bay. Kill mold and mildew. Hydrogen peroxide is effective in killing mold and mildew. Spray it on affected surfaces like bathroom tiles, grout, and walls. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. It helps prevent mold from growing back and keeps your home clean and healthy. Hydrogen peroxide is well known as an antiseptic, but its capabilities go far beyond disinfecting minor cuts and wounds. Let's start with dental care. Did you know that this humble solution can be your secret weapon for achieving a brighter smile? Studies have shown that low concentrations, 3% of hydrogen peroxide, can effectively whiten teeth by breaking down stubborn stain. Mix a teaspoon with baking soda, and you've got yourself a homemade whitening paste. The best part? It's gentle on your gums, provided you use it sparingly. But it doesn't stop there. Hydrogen peroxide doubles as a powerful mouthwash, tackling bad breath and killing bacteria lurking in those hard-to-reach crevices. It's like giving your mouth a detox session. Just make sure you dilute it properly, equal parts water and peroxide to avoid irritation. Now, let's address something that many people suffer from but don't talk about: earwax buildup. Over-the-counter eardrops. Forget them. A few drops of hydrogen peroxide mixed with warm water can safely soften and dissolve wax. Bonus? The bubbling action is oddly satisfying. Clean freak's best friend. Moving on to the home front, hydrogen peroxide's cleaning capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. Take your bathroom, for example. If you've ever battled black mold, you know how frustrating it can be. Traditional cleaners are harsh and packed with chemicals, but hydrogen peroxide offers a safer alternative. Spray it directly on the mold, let it sit, and watch as the oxygen molecules break down the spores. It's effective, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. And let's not forget your kitchen. Tired of pesticides lingering on your fresh produce? Soak fruits and veggies in a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution, and you've got yourself a cleaner, healthier meal. Science backs this up. Research shows it removes bacteria and reduces pesticide residue, giving you peace of mind without breaking the bank on organic produce. What about your laundry? Hydrogen peroxide acts as a natural bleach, brightening whites and removing stubborn stains without damaging fabrics. It's especially useful for sweat stains. Just pour a little directly onto the stain before washing, and voila! Like new. Beauty on a budget. Ladies and gentlemen, say goodbye to expensive beauty treatments. Hydrogen peroxide has a surprising role in skincare, provided you use it wisely. For instance, it can help dry out acne when applied directly to blemishes. Its antibacterial properties make it a great spot treatment. However, overuse can lead to skin irritation, so moderation is key. And here's a beauty hack you might not know: hydrogen peroxide can lighten hair. If you've ever dreamed of sun-kissed highlights but balked at the salon prices, this could be your solution. Mix it with water, spray it onto damp hair, and sit in the sun for a natural, gradual lightening effect. Just don't overdo it. Nobody wants crispy, damaged strands. Medical myths, fact vs. fiction. This is where we tread into murkier waters. While hydrogen peroxide has incredible benefits, it's not a miracle cure-all. Some people claim it can cure everything from colds to cancer. Let's set the record straight. There's no scientific evidence to support these claims. In fact, ingesting hydrogen peroxide can be downright dangerous. Even food-grade varieties can cause severe harm if consumed improperly. A more realistic application? Using it as a vapor to sanitize surfaces. During the COVID-19 pandemic, hospitals turned to hydrogen peroxide fogging to disinfect rooms. This method is highly effective, but should only be done professionally, as inhaling the vapor is harmful. The dangers of misuse. Like any powerful tool, hydrogen peroxide has its risks. Used improperly, it can cause burns, irritation, and other complications. For example, some people attempt to use high concentrations, above 10% for skin treatments, not realizing it's highly corrosive. And while it's tempting to try dye health hacks, always consult a professional before attempting anything unconventional. Safety first, folks. The science behind the magic. To truly appreciate hydrogen peroxide, you need to understand the chemistry. It's a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen, H2O2, and its magic lies in the extra oxygen molecule. When it breaks down, it releases oxygen and water, making it a powerful oxidizer. This property is what gives it its disinfecting and cleaning abilities. It's also why it's so effective at breaking down organic material, whether it's mold, stains, or bacteria. Real-life examples and stats. Let's talk numbers. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Hospital Infection found that hydrogen peroxide was 99.99% effective in killing various bacteria and viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, when used as a surface disinfectant. Another study highlighted its role in dentistry, showing a significant reduction in plaque and gingivitis when used as a mouth rinse.